Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jean-Michel Latenier. I am the Chief Technology Officer and founder of Atomic Database Corp. It is my pleasure to introduce you to the first patented, truly associative information management system in the world. This allows us to solve the big data problem, the data correlation problem, the data aggregation problem, all while saving enormous resources in the process.
Atomic DB is the one true incarnation of the associative type of information management systems first imagined in 1958. Designed over 50 years of research and development at MIT, the United States Navy, the NASA, and in production since 1998, Atomic DB is the future of information technology. Many systems today claim to be associative, but fall short at the logical level and never become associative at the data level or storage level as Atomic DB does. The associative approach is and has been considered the holy grail of data management since the inception of computer science itself. With the introduction of the first patent in December of 2012, Atomic DB was launched from the lab and the military to the public. Now the public and industry can take advantage of the many benefits provided by Atomic DB. Some advantages include a 50 to 80% reduction in storage needs. This is due to Atomic DB being designed as a single data instance solution, which allows for total deduplication of data elements. No query language. The Atomic DB API replaces SQL and with 6 primitive functions. This reduces development time by 60 to 80% and correlated costs as well. A perfect example of this is demonstrated in a simple 20-column database table. Imagine, if you will, this same table with 20 columns and then having to write queries to return every possible combination. This would require at least 400 queries or a minimum of 12 to 1500 lines of code, whereas Atomic DB would require a single function call or 5 lines of code to accomplish exactly the same thing. This capability, of course, leads to a dramatic reduction in application development time and time to market by up to 70 to 90%, again reducing costs. Atomic DB solves the data warehouse problem by being data type agnostic. This removes the ETL issue. It also removes the time, effort, costs, and allows for aggregation of dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of disparate databases or files, including live feeds. Security is a foregone conclusion, as Atomic DB does not use RSA encryption, but instead uses multi-level, multi-layered factorial encryption, basically making it unhackable. Requesting information results through the Atomic API are at least 1,000 times faster than comparable systems, and is due to the event-based design and use of only 4 reads regardless of data, size, or quantity. This also eliminates the 15 join SQL limit, so nearly unlimited complexity is viable, thus combining 10 columns or 1,000,000 columns is feasible. Complete flexibility and real-time event-based activity management is built in, ensuring transaction integrity and exceeding all ACID requirements.